My name is Sanjeev Tyagi and I am responsible for government and defense business in Juniper. So, topic of my discussion today is how to simplify the networking. So, from yesterday we are talking and hearing from the various presenters. This is our roadmap. This is what we are doing. We are planning to connect more than 123 crore citizens in country spread across 6.5 lakh villages, 2.3 lakh gram panchayat, and we are planning to give all application and services to them, which are G2C, B2C, financial services, education, and utilities. Now the challenge which Pramod sir talked about from the social side, from the political side, same with the challenge which industry vendors like us are facing is how to connect such a vast network, how to ensure that the uptime of such a vast network is available so that all these critical services can be offered without any downtime. The other challenge what industry or which customer are throwing back to us is how to optimize the cost of deploying such networks, and also how to reduce the cost of managing such networks. Like Mr. Tanmay said, what we can do is we can use cloud-based data centers, social networking, and also he said software as a service. So today it's well known that software as a service is available. So what I'm going to talk subsequently is even network is available as a software as a service. If you look at the building block of creating any network, which constitute the cost of setting up a network and managing that network, is of course your hardware. When we are talking about critical application, of course, all the officers sitting out here want to make sure that these routers or the networking device should be best of breed and best of the technology available in country as of date. We are not hesitant to pay the premium, but what we want is it should be the best of the technology available today. When you buy a best of the technology, it comes with some extra overhead in terms of the cost of AMC, cost of maintaining these hardware. The third challenge which is coming when we talk about connecting our villages or connecting our panchayat, maybe in Chandigarh or maybe in Delhi, we have a lot of trained manpower available. But if I go maybe 100 kilometers down the line in a village of Sirsa or Kathal, getting an engineer to manage one of the CSC service center, trained resource who can manage this complex networking device is not possible. We have to fly down or we have to move an engineer from the central location to resolve the problem, which means there is a downtime associated with that. Till the time engineer haven't reached there, the center may be down. So you as an officer, government officer, your vision is that you want to give quick and quality services to all the citizens. Wherein we, sitting at the other side of the table, the vendors, the operators and the administrators, we are facing 5 broad challenges. So as I said, we are talking of a pan-India connectivity across all our villages, across all panchayat. Now, enforcing a security policy and managing such network has become a challenge. So I need a console, I need a management station which can manage maybe thousands of nodes simultaneously. So that's a challenge. I already touched base about availability of right skills. I am not getting a right skill at a taluka level or at a block level, or maybe even at a district level. Now, when I am talking on this pan-India network, so service providers are not always giving me a wide medium. I have to go with any type of media. If you look at any CSCs in any of the state, it's a mix of various medias by which it's connected. There are some wide media, there are wireless, there are VSAT. Now the challenge which comes in front of us, that the operator, is how to have an integrated console so that I can manage various technologies simultaneously. So these are the challenges that we guys are facing today. Now, needless to say, so Juniper, who is into the manufacture of routers, switch, security devices, firewall and IPS. So when this challenge was thrown to us, Juniper founder, Mr. Pradeep Sandhu, who happens to be the IIT pass out, He, along with the industry colleague, he said, we'll work on a solution by which we can optimize the cost of deploying this network, we can reduce the capex, and we can simplify this network. So we as an industry came up with the concept of SDN. So wherein initially in my first slide I said simplified networking. So that's what is the aim of SDN is. In terms of technology, what we are doing in SDN, we stand for software defined networking. We have moved the decision making of the networking devices, which is presently scattered across all the different nodes to a central location. And this central location or central device is called as SDN controller. Now, all the intelligence, all the decision making is now being done at the central location. Of course, for redundancy, for local redundancy and geographical redundancy, we have multiple of these boxes. And the nodes, your WAN routers or your switches, they are the dumb devices which are just forwarding the traffic. Is it already 5 minutes? Oh, sorry. So the principle, the four principle of SDN and the benefits that it's offering is now the intelligence is being made central. Okay, the various components are being taken out from the hardware. The end node is only forwarding the traffic, so that means you can optimize each network element. If you have a central console, so your management and your policy enforcement and your security policy enforcement become more easy. From a single console you can do that. And you can have mix and match of vendor products. As I said, it works on an open flow standard, which is just open standard. So you can have a controller from one vendor and the node from some different vendor, and they talk seamlessly to each other. So the result is a network. In today's scenario, using this technology, we are able to deploy a network which is more efficient, which of course offers high performance and at a much cheaper price. So this is very briefly, this is how we used to do a traditional deployment of a network, wherein you have to connect to each and every node and do your configuration. In case any new policy comes from government, and you have to reconfigure such network, it's a nightmare. In the case of SDN enabled networking, everything is centralized. You have a central console from where you can configure and manage your complete network devices, which may be the wired, which may be wireless, which may be security, which may be your services. So to summarize, 4 steps or 4 pillars what we have offered using this technology is centralized management, central console from where you are managing. The services rollout can be done centrally. You don't have to touch upon each and every network node to roll out your service. Your control is centralized, so that means you don't have to send us the skill set required at the branch location or at a CSC center may not be that high level skill. A normal engineer can go or operator can go and resolve the problem out there, and we are able to optimize the cost of hardware and hence cost saving. With that I am finished. Thank you very much.